Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here and welcome to another video. And in this video I'm gonna be talking about none other than AMC Entertainment Holding with ticker symbol AMC. If you are living under a rock and you haven't heard about AMC back in January, now you'll have to somewhere see a little bit of news. TV, newspapers, or even online articles, it's everywhere. YouTube as well, Twitter, stock tweets, it's just booming. Right now pre-market plus 37% and yesterday plus almost 23%, with stock at this price around $30. That's crazy. The more crazy the story is, if you bought in early January for let's say $2, now you are up over 1000%. It's quite unbelievable story with a lot of faces just like Roaring Kitty, etc. But it's for another video. In this video I'm guys bringing you some new information about this company as some stuff you should be interested in and you could be interested in. So yeah, without further ado, let's go straight into the news. So as you are probably all aware of, yesterday AMC sold $230 million of shares to Modric Capital. Therefore, they raised capital, earned or got $230 million. The CEO, Mr. Aaron, said that given that AMC is raising hundreds of millions of dollars, this is an extremely positive result for our shareholders. It was achieved through the issuance of only 8.5 million shares, representing less than 1.7% of our issued share capital and only a small portion of our typical daily trading volume. So this is very important to keep the objective image, and even the CEO himself says it's not much, it's just very small amount, and they get a lot of valuable money, a lot of valuable assets for them as a company. When the company is very popular, when it gets to Barron's or MarketWatch, it's on all these websites related to stocks and trading. Here we can see that after AMC sold 8.5 million shares to Modric Capital, the move was almost immediately followed by Bloomberg News report that Modric had already unloaded its AMC shares at a handsome profit. According to Bloomberg, citing a source familiar with the matter, Modric exited its entire stake in the AMC after deeming the stock overvalued, presumably making a healthy profit after picking up shares at $27 a share, and watching the theater chain, which was hurt by nearly a year of theater closures, reach $31.85 at Tuesday's opening bell, marking its highest open in more than 4 years. Modric is known for making a few hundred million dollars in the past by, betting on AMC or GameStop, so they are really known for this kind of business. And right now they must be scratching their heads because it's another 37%, which would be crazy gains. They must be really feel bad right now because in the pre-market 38%, it's gonna be very interesting day to day. But just to give you guys a good overview of how much money is $230 million for Modric Capital, it's not much. They managed in February 2021, they managed approximately $3.1 billion in assets. So it's less than 10% of their money, playing it there, and they just made quick profit. There's really nothing wrong with that. And it was enough positive bullish catalyst that a lot of other investors, investment groups, or even just retailers just flood their money in. And right now, with a lot of other catalysts, it's all coming together very nicely. And here on Barron's we can see that Loop Capital Markets and analyst Alan Gould reiterated a sell rating and $1 price target on Tuesday. He argued the company has survived the pandemic, but it's now massively diluted and over-levered. So yeah, it seems almost like the analysts are being paid by the hedge funds or the big institutions who are just shorting AMC like crazy, and they just want to get this kind of news into television or some online articles to influence the general public, retailers, to sell their shares. I think that's a little bit of a market manipulation, and almost could be as an SEC violation. But I'm not a financial advisor or nor financial expert, it's just all my thesis. But it would make kind of sense. Another reason why AMC is going up strong and long is that box office results are another reason the shares are strong Tuesday. A Quiet Place 2 pulled in $47 million at the US box office from May 28th to 30th, nearly as much as the $50 million the original film earned in its first weekend back in 2018. People see that theaters are getting back into the action. In the US, a lot of vaccinations is just going on. People are getting vaccinated. People are, slowly but surely somehow returning back to life. And I cannot really say that in my country, but you know, in the US it almost seems like everything is like casual, you know, you got fans at sport events, you can go to restaurants and such. So it seems like life is returning, so theaters are and probably will return as well, and this is a very clear and good sign for AMC in particular. And you know, just a little bit of a bullish and positive news with a very good momentum, which is happening right now, can drive the stock price like crazy, if we can see almost 40% in pre-market. Not to mention that if you check out StockList, there's over 274,000 watchers. That's immense amount of people, as well as I've loaded up this page like 30 minutes ago, and there's almost 4,000 new AMC posts. People are just going crazy. Big moves in price, big moves in message volume, big moves in volumes, everything is going just the right way for AMC. So this run is something incredible, and I hope you are part of it, and that you can, you know, afford just put there like few bucks, few $100. It's all up to you, you know, but this kind of moves, what we've seen with GameStop and AMC like a few months ago, it seems like it's getting back in on the track. So yeah, if you are part of it, I hope you are enjoying your nice gains, but don't forget, not everything can last forever, and when this kind of a move will reach its peak, there could be some kind of overall market correction. So definitely watch out for that, and don't forget to secure your gains, because it would be kind of a shame if you are up, let's say 100%, and because you would be greedy, you would like to go for 200, and then it could go drop just to 50% gains. So you know, definitely have a strategy. If you like to go long, sure, go long, but you know, at the end of the day, gains are gains. I hope I brought you some value. If you'd like to see more, and you will see more, I have more information, more news, you know, prepared for another video coming out in next few hours. So if you like to see that, definitely subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notification on, so YouTube actually tells you when I upload videos and they won't get lost in YouTube recommendation page. As well as smashing the like button is highly appreciated, because the more you smash the like button, the more the AMC will go up. No, that's just a joke, but maybe it isn't, maybe it is, who knows. If you are in AMC, or you'd like to get in, or you sold and cash out, let me know in the comments below. I'm very curious about your situation with AMC and how you are just following it, if you aren't, if you are, you know, all that stuff. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.